Your training experience can be drastically altered by choosing the appropriate fitness tracker. That's why I'm dissecting the top 5 fitness trackers in this video, so you won't ever have to deal with inaccurate numbers and subpar performance. The problem is that while a tracker could be ideal for someone else, it might not be for you. And that's just because most trackers are not made with the same people in mind. That's why I made sure to include options for all types of situations. Regardless of what you're looking for, I'll have the perfect fitness tracker for you. Before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Number 5. Fitbit Versa 4. The Fitbit Versa 4 really excels as a comprehensive fitness tracker. It boasts advanced health monitoring features, built-in GPS, active zone minutes, long-lasting 6-day battery life, and a water-resistant design. The Fitbit Versa 4 is an absolute powerhouse when it comes to monitoring your health and fitness goals. It features heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, all-day activity tracking, and GPS built right in. Comprehensive insights into your general well-being are provided by the Versa 4. The Versa 4 now tracks your exercise intensity and offers personalized recommendations with active zone minutes to help you accomplish your fitness objectives more quickly. You'll have all you need to stay motivated and focused on your fitness path, including guided breathing exercises and a workout intensity map. You can wear the Fitbit Versa 4 day and night without having to worry about charging because of its amazing 6-day battery life. The Versa 4's sleek and fashionable appearance makes it an excellent accompaniment for any type of exercise or casual wear. Plus, it has a water-resistant build, allowing it to be submerged up to 50 meters into water without even breaking. It is a great addition that makes the Versa 4 able to handle all of your adventures with absolute ease. The Fitbit Versa 4 combines a water-resistant design, a long-lasting battery life, active zone minutes, built-in GPS, and an array of monitoring features. So for those who are looking for a high-end fitness tracker that does not have that high-end price, the Versa 4 might be the best fit for you. Number 4. Fitbit Charge 6. Next up, I have the Fitbit Charge 6. The Fitbit Charge 6 is a fantastic fitness tracker that has advanced health metrics, over 40 exercise modes, active zone minutes, built-in GPS tracking, and an incredible week-long battery life. Just like the Versa 4, the Charge 6 has an array of monitoring features to ensure that your workouts are constantly being tracked. Heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, and all-day activity tracking are features of the Charge 6, which provide you insights into your overall health. It also offers more than 40 exercise options. This guarantees that you will always have a setting that suits your individual exercise regimens. With its active zone minutes, the Charge 6 tracks your intensity of exercise and gives you immediate feedback, allowing you to get the most out of every workout. Additionally, you can precisely track your outdoor runs and hikes without bringing your phone along thanks to the built-in GPS. Additionally, the Charge 6's battery lasts for up to 7 full days. Now, this ensures that you can wear it all week without worrying about a dying battery. It also has a water-resistant build that can be submerged for up to 50 meters, allowing the Charge 6 to handle all of your travels. The Fitbit Charge 6 offers a water-resistant build, a week-long battery life, built-in GPS, active zone minutes, and over 40 exercise modes. So, if you're looking for a well-rounded fitness tracker, the Charge 6 might just be the right fit for you. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. Next, I have the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, and this is my choice for the best overall fitness tracker. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro seamlessly blends style with functionality, and that's thanks to its bioactive sensor, body composition analysis, advanced sleep coaching, enhanced GPS, and sapphire crystal glass design. Samsung's curved bioactive sensor, which comes in closer to your skin to provide a more accurate measurement of your fitness and health journey, is included on the Watch 5 Pro. It also features body composition analysis, which allows you to get body composition information directly from your wrist. The Watch 5 Pro uses innovative sleep coaching to identify and analyze your sleeping patterns while you're asleep, allowing you to better control the quality of your total sleep. Additionally, it features auto workout tracking, which keeps track of over 90 exercises both automatically and manually. Additionally, you won't ever get lost on a trip thanks to an upgraded GPS. With its enhanced battery, the Watch 5 Pro can easily handle your busiest day and guarantee that you never run out of power too soon. Plus, its sapphire crystal glass design ensures that the Watch 5 Pro has an incredibly durable design, giving it 1.6 times stronger build than regular fitness trackers. Now, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro impresses with its sapphire crystal glass design, enhanced GPS, auto workout tracking, advanced sleep coaching, and body composition analysis. So for those who are looking for a high-quality fitness tracker that provides a powerful performance, the Watch 5 Pro might just be the right option for you. Number 2. Fitbit Inspire 3. Next, I have the Fitbit Inspire 3. Now this one is my choice for the best fitness tracker for the money. The Fitbit Inspire 3 is an affordable fitness tracker that offers a lightweight and small design, personalization of the watch interface, an array of tracking features, user-friendly interface, and a 10-day battery life. The Inspire 3 boasts a slim and lightweight design that's comfortable to wear all day long. Plus, you can easily connect to your smartphone to get access to phone calls, texts, and app notifications. It also has a color touchscreen with customizable clock faces. Despite its diminutive size, the Inspire 3 is quite capable at tracking your activities. The Inspire 3 gives you a thorough picture of your daily routine and empowers you to make better decisions with features like sleep tracking, step tracking, and heart rate monitoring that is available around the clock. Furthermore, given its low cost, you get an excellent range of nearly 20 exercise options. Now, it's simple to maintain your fitness objectives with the Inspire 3's user-friendly design and simple controls. Its battery lasts up to 10 days on a single charge, so you can concentrate on your health rather than worrying about running out of power all the time. Moreover, similar to the Versa 4 and Charge 6, the Inspire 3 has a water-resistant build for up to 50 meters. The Fitbit Inspire 3 is a great affordable fitness tracker that stands out with its water-resistant build, 10 days of battery life, user-friendly interface, array of tracking features, and even a slim design. And if you're wanting a fitness tracker that has an array of features and doesn't compromise on affordability, the Inspire 3 might just be the right choice for you. Number 1. Apple Watch 9. Next, I have the Apple Watch 9. The Apple Watch 9 is an incredible fitness tracker thanks to its always-on Retina display, IP6X certified dust-resistant build, powerful performance through its S9 chip, an array of health tracking features, and fall and crash detection. The Apple Watch 9 now comes in a sleek contemporary appearance that goes well with a variety of ensembles. The Watch 9 is a great accessory for any occasion because of its always-on Retina display and fully customizable watch faces. It looks as wonderful as it functions. Its build is certified IP6X for dust resistance, and it is swim-proof for up to 50 meters and crack-resistant. The Watch 9 now guarantees that you can always see and readily comprehend the insights it provides into your exercise habits thanks to the S9 chip and watch OS. You can monitor your temperature, sleep patterns, and heart rate with it. Pairing the Watch 9 with Apple products and services is simple, ensuring that you can connect to your iPhone or even your Mac laptop to stay connected with your Apple devices. The Watch 9 has fall detection and crash detection, which can connect you with emergency services in the event of a hard fall or any sort of accident. Plus, it has an emergency SOS, which easily provides you the option to call for help with a simple press of a button. The Apple Watch 9 features fall and crash detection, a powerful S9 chip, watch OS, IP6X dust-proof design, and an always-on Retina display. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Until next time, take care and stay informed.